I, Sri Maltas S. Sangma, MCS, returning official for election to the Council of States by the elected members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, hereby certify that I have, on the 11th day of June 2026, declared Sri James Pangsang Kongkal Sangma, sponsored by the National People's Party, to have been duly elected in a biennial election to be a member of the Council of States, and that, in token thereof, I have granted him his certificate of election.
Yes, it is always a challenge, because to speak in the parliament, to get an opportunity to express yourself is on a representative basis. So, because of less numbers of MPs in the northeast, it's always a challenge. But I believe that persistence, patience is something that I will need to ensure that I have that in plenty, and I will keep always press for more time be allotted, especially because there are many issues, not just in our state of Meghalaya, but in the entire region, the northeast, that need that kind of voice in parliament. So it will always be, my endeavor to impress and stress upon the fact that northeast needs a lot of more talking room and talking space and talking time in parliament. So varieties there are plenty. I mean, of course, from the Meghalaya perspective, we all know that we are pushing for inclusion of Khasi and Garo in the age schedule. Then there are many other issues that Meghalaya has in terms of the voice that we want to be heard in Meghalaya in Parliament. But of course, there are other issues in the Northeast as well that need to be highlighted. See, as we all know, this is an issue which has been passed in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly as a resolution. So it is my bounden duty as a representative of the state to carry forward that resolution so that it finds a voice in the halls of the Rajya Sabha. So yes, I will be pursuing this matter. I think that is completely wrong. And on the day of nomination, you all know and you all saw that I was accompanied not just by the NPP MLAs, we were accompanied by our alliance partners as well. Yes, there may have been certain names. I think that is part of a democratic process. It's very healthy. As we all know, it's the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. So, true to its name, that mantra has been followed. But eventually, the decision was made, and there is unanimity in the support that has been extended to me. I think that it's not just that, there are many other schemes which may be, looking at how we can take it up with the government of India in terms of completion of these unfinished schemes, many others. So we will be taking all these up in consultation with, of course, the state government and also with the central government.